looks familiar. Hi everyone, the word of the day is familiar. Familiar. This has quite a few meanings. And this means relative, familiar, friendly, and homey. And it is related to family events. Familiar works with feminine and masculine nouns. The plural form is familiares. Familiares. Okay, let's see a few examples. Tengo una reunión familiar este viernes. Tengo una reunión familiar este viernes. Uno de mis familiares vive en Irlanda. Uno de mis familiares vive en Irlanda. Tu cara me es familiar. Tu cara me es familiar. Esta oficina tiene un ambiente muy familiar. Esta oficina tiene un ambiente muy familiar. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!